Greetings everyone, Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. This is a quick video. In today's video we're gonna talk about some rules and regulations as a new pilot, as a new drone pilot, as a new hobbyist. There's a couple of rules and things that we have to do, especially here in UK. Let me know in the comments down below how is in your country, what rules do you have to follow as a sub 250 grams drones, as a hobbyist. I'm gonna leave it to the pros, but in today's video, I'm gonna share with you some information, some details, some things that you have to do when you buy your first drone. There is so many information, but I'm gonna leave it to the pros. There's one YouTube channel which is called Geeksvana, which I discovered a couple of months ago. I'm gonna link it in the descriptions down below. Make sure to check the YouTube channel Geeksvana because they will give you so much information in details about all the rules, especially here in UK. I know there's so many people making videos about the rules in UK, but this is the YouTube channel that I discover, and I'm super fascinated about all the information. So make sure to check it. I hope I pronounced it right, Geeksvana. Link in the description. Make sure to check it. Also, I'm gonna leave it in the pinned comment as well. So, as a new pilot, as a new drone pilot, what do you have to do when you buy your first drone? Recently, I bought my DJI Mini 3, and there's a couple of things that you have to do. Once you buy your drone, there's a couple of things. You have to go to the CAA website and do two things. First, you have to apply for operator ID. Now, this is a 40 quiz question that you have to answer. This is just the basics to give you some information and some rules that you have to follow as a new drone pilot. When you do that, when you pass all the questions, then you have operator ID number. You need to take a screenshot, print it just to have it for in case, because you may need it for the future. Now, once you do that, then you have to apply for Flyer ID. Flyer ID basically is a unique number which you have to display on your drones. So if you have multiple drones, make sure to display that on your drones. Now, this unique number is very important, means that your drone is registered here in UK. Make sure that you don't write it on the drone, because every year this number you have to change it. Basically, you have to renew it. So the price for this is around £11 here in UK. So once you do that, once you pay, you'll receive this number. Make sure to display it on your drone. This is what I did as well. I just did that a couple of months ago when I bought my Mini 3. Well, I bought my Mini 3 a couple of weeks ago, but I did the operator ID and the Flyer ID before I bought my drone. And when I did that, the first thing I did when I bought the drone is I display my operator ID number. Also, I have it printed. I have the operator ID and the Flyer ID in my phone. I have it printed as well. Make sure to do that as well, just to have it in case. Now, once you do that, you are good. But there's so many information, so many rules to do that. But yeah, pretty much this is what you have to do. You have to get operator ID and Flyer ID. Pretty much this is what you have to do. Again, this is totally up to you to do that as a new drone pilot. But I decided to do that to be safe, because again, all the drones that are under 250 grams with the camera automatically changes the rules. It's not a toy anymore. This is a drone. I know it's under 250 grams, but then yeah, it's better to be safe than sorry. Now, if you fly a drone which is more than 250 grams, this is completely different rules. Then you have to do something else there. But again, check the Geeksvana YouTube channel. I hope this video is helpful. I know there's so many information which I didn't cover, but let me know in the comments below how is the rules in your country. Do you have to apply for any Flyer ID, operator ID? Let me know in the comments below. If anyone knows, if anyone who is familiar about this topic, leave a comment down below. But personally, I think, at least for me, I decide to do that. I have the flyer ID and operator ID. Okay, thank you for watching. Again, if you have any questions, the Geeksvana YouTube channel is going to be on the pinned comment. Make sure to check that if you want to know some information, rules, especially here in UK. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.